Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, have you seen the clip that I have sent you in our previous session? Okay, did you enjoy it? Very good. And have you tried to make animal sound in your voice too? I always try. I could not, but I always try. Children, you can play a game on it too. You can make animal sound with your friends. For an example, you can ask your friend to make a sound of a cat, that is meow, and he will ask you to make a sound of a lion, that is roar. Right? Okay, you will definitely enjoy it. Try it. Now, today we will do an exercise on it. And what is that? Matching. So easy. Match the columns to find out the sounds these animals make. Children, we will do matching. We will do animal with their sounds. We will match animals with their sounds. But to do matching, we will not drag a line. Remember now, we will make brackets and will write down the answers. Okay. Here is a column of animals and here is a column of their sounds. The first one is cat. So, the sound of a cat is, find out from here, that is mews, right? So, E, the answer is E. How we will write down now? We will make a bracket and will write down the answer. Okay. It is a bracket. Now, in the bracket, we will write down 1 and the answer of 1 is E. Mew. Cat, mew. It is very easy, right? And try to write in a small handwriting. So, it will look very neat and clean, right? Your textbook will look neat and clean. If you will not drag a line, if you will not do matching, drawing lines, your notebook, your textbook will look neat and clean. Okay, now 2 number, that is dog. Dog barks. Now, can you make a sound of a dog? Bow. Right? Okay, barks. That is C. The answer of 2 is C. So, you will make a bracket and write down answer to C. Okay, very good. Now, 3 number, monkey. What does monkey do? Monkey chatters. What does monkey do? Chatters. And that is D. The answer of 3 is D. Right? The answer of 3 is D. Chatters. 4 number. Lion. What does lion do? Roars. B. The answer of 4. Lion roars. Lion roars. Lion roars. Cock. What does cock do, children? What does cock do? Crows. What does cock do? Crows. And that is J. The answer of 5 is J. Crows. Now, 6 number. bird. Bird chips. Bird chips. So the answer of 6 bird is chips, that is F. Okay, fine. Now 7 number. Let's find the answer of 7. Let's find the answer of 7. Horse. Horse. What does horse do? Knee. Knee. Okay. So, I. The answer of 7 is I. Knee. Horse. Knee. Now, 8 number. Monkey. What does donkey do, children? Donkey brace. Donkey brace. Okay. So, the answer of donkey 8 is G, brace. Okay. Now, mouse. What does mouse do, children? Have you heard it once? Try to listen it once. Mouse squeaks. Mouse squeaks. A. The answer of 9 is A. Squeaks. Mouse squeaks. Mouse squeaks. Duck. What does duck do, children? Quack. Quack, 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 quack. Have you heard it? Okay. It's really enjoyable to make animal sound. Children, as I do, try it once. Okay? In your own voice too. Duck quacks. H. The answer of 10 duck is H. Quacks. Quack, 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 quack. Right? So funny. Yes, it is very funny to make animal sound in your own voice. And as I said, play a game on it with your friend. You will enjoy it and it will be easier for to remember it. Right? It will be very easy to remember it. When you play it, when you make a sound in your own voice, it will be easier for you to remember it. Right?